Hello there, it's Christian at Granthams in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Weinsberg CaraOne 390 QD. So before we have a good look around the vehicle, I'm going to tell you a few things about the Weinsberg range. Now, these are made in Germany. They're made by Canal, so you've got a fantastic construction. These are built lightweight as well. So this, full up, the maximum weight is 1,200 kilograms. The length of the vehicle as well is only 5.93 meters, meaning that it's great for storage and it's also great for leaving on your driveway. Now, the Weinsberg CaraOne range has been made specifically for the UK market. So we've got the door on the UK side, as well as a few extra features that you won't find in Germany, such as flame retardant upholstery. Now, looking at the front of the Caravan, you've got your Elco stabilizer and hitch, a 13-pin Caravan to car connection, and your handbrake. Nice large A-frame there as well, which is absolutely fantastic for leaving your bikes at the front. So you can have a two-lay Caravan Superb fitted onto the A-frame to have two bikes, and you can also have electric bikes on there as well. Large gas locker there at the front, and we'll open that up so you can see what goodies come with the Caravan. So it locks up there like that, so you can safely get under there without banging your head. Brand new set of carpets. There's a grey water tank there as well. Propane pigtail and gas connector there, all ready to go. A couple of chocks there and an alloy spare wheel. Now we'll come round to the near side of the Caravan. Just here we have got a storage locker that will take you directly under the fixed bed of the Caravan. So this one is a 4-berth fixed bed Caravan. The fixed bed's to the front. You've got a dinette to the rear and a small wet room with the full kitchen facilities. Got your living space window just there as we come across. We've got the kitchen window with the fridge fence below. And the good thing is with the Weinsberg range, you've got the wheel arch cover rail in there. So you don't need to have those sucky pads onto the side when you've got your wheel arch cover, stopping that draft coming into your awning. You've got the one-piece secure door with an LED awning light up above. And then there's a frosted window there, which is a good indicator that that's where your bathroom is. This is where your waste goes for the toilet. There is no separate fill for the flush because this Caravan is fitted with a 45-litre onboard water tank. So coming round to the back, grab handles, rear window, and then you've got your light clusters with your rear fog. Round to the offside of the Caravan now. Get a good look round. So you've got the two-tone bronze and grey decals on there, with a pure white body shell. There's your inlet for your mains electric power, and then your inlet for your onboard water just there. And that will bring us back round to the front. So we're going to jump into the Caravan now, see what it's got to offer. Now, we've had a couple of additions onto this particular Caravan. So you've got the kitchen extension on both sides, really handy because it's a small Caravan. You've got a small worktop space. So we find that extending the sides out makes quite a big difference. And also we've had this one fitted with the gas oven. So as you can see at the front here, you've got your fixed bed on a memory foam mattress. We can have a little look underneath as well, and you'll see the storage opportunities under the bed. There's your onboard water tank, and the Caravan comes with a jack and also a step and wheel wrench. You've got a cushion just there, and that's so the dinette can set up into a French bed. So you've got the fly screens and blackout blinds fitted to all of the windows. Plenty of storage up there above the bed. And those two-tone grey tabards flow nicely through the Caravan with the grey boarding around the bed. Just up here, you've got a spotlight and a 3-pin socket. and another spotlight just there. You've got a curtain here so that you can block off the bedroom space. Next to the bed, you've got your gas heater and a large wardrobe. And your trip switches are just there. Opposite the wardrobe, you've got a fridge that will work on gas or on mains. Full-size fridge as well, with a freezer compartment there at the top. There's the gas oven and grill. Got some storage down below, and then a large drawer up above. Stainless steel deep sink with a mixer tap. Got your heat guard just there, and then 3 gas burners. LED light there, just under the top cabinetry in the kitchen to light up the worktop space. And there's a plug socket just up here. Kitchen cupboards. With a shelf in that one. And then coming round to the back, this area feels really spacious. So you've got your diner seating area just here. That table drops down. You've got a halfway point in that leg. So that sort of folds under there. Table drops down onto this rail just here. That's the base for the rest of the bed. And then you flip your cushions. You've got the extra fill cushion there under the main bed. And you've got another French bed. So you can have 2 sleep here and 2 sleep at the fixed bed to the front of the caravan. But plenty more storage there up above and a large roof light as well, letting lots of light into the caravan. Like I say, it is a compact caravan. So the more light you can get in, the better. So as we go down here to the back, you've got your integrated washroom. So you've got your swivel seat Dometic toilet with an electric flush. There's also an indicator on there as well to tell you when the toilet's full. Shower tray with curtain there that'll pull round you. And then you've got your shower head holder there because the tap also works as a shower head. Really handy. Some more storage down below. Next to the window, you've got some more storage and shelves, and then there is a mirror up above. So they've made really good use of the space here with a couple of LED lights at the top there. It's also worth noting there is a plug socket just here. All the controls are done on this electric control board up here. So there we have it. That's the 2023 Weinsberg CaraOne 390 QD. Lightweight, compact, fixed bed. What more can you ask for in a caravan, really? So we've got some fantastic offers at Granthams at the moment. So please get in touch. My name's Christian. But you can speak to any one of us in the sales team here. Contact us on 01777 838 193. Option 1 is through to sales. Alternatively, you can drop us an email or just pop in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday, 9 till 5, and then on Sunday, 10 till 4. But thanks for watching.